What accessories you will receive except your ice maker? Except your ice maker, you will also receive one handle for the ice maker, one ice scoop, and one ice basket. How to install the ice maker handle? First, please attach one side of the handle to your ice maker. Then install the other side in place. How to use your ice maker? First, please open the top cover and take out the ice basket. Then pour potable water into the water tank until the water lever reaches the max mark. After powering on the product, the power indicator will flash green. Press on the OFF button for once. The power indicator will be steady on. The internal ice scoop will flip to a horizontal position. After this, you will hear the sound of the pump working. That's the sound of the pump in the water tank, pumping water into an internal ice scoop. Your ice will be produced and pushed to the ice basket. Now it's your time to enjoy the ice.